Hello, welcome to the Triangle Hi-Fi tutorial videos. Today we will guide you step by step on how to connect and operate the AIO TWIN speaker. Start by installing your speaker on your furniture. Then plug the power cable into the speaker, then tap into an AC outlet and press the power button. Your speaker is now entering the initialization phase. For about 20 seconds, the orange LED on the front panel flashes to indicate that the process is in progress. Don't touch anything during this step. Once setup is complete, the white LED will light up and 4 musical notes will sound to confirm that your speaker is ready to use. Start by downloading the Triangle AIO app. It is available on the App Store for iOS users and on the Google Play Store for Android users. In order to connect via Ethernet, plug an RJ45 cable from your home internet router into the back of the speaker. This cable is not included, but easily accessible commercially. For a wireless connection, launch the Triangle AIO app on your phone, then check that the LED is white. If not, change the source to Wi-Fi. Then press the connect button on the back of the speaker. A voice will then indicate the start of the connection sequence.
Entering setup mode. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the setup.
In the app, tap plus to add a device, then click Settings to go to your device's Wi-Fi settings. Select the Triangle AIO TWIN network and return to the app. Your speaker will try to connect to your home's wireless network. To do this, select your internet box from the list provided and enter the associated password. Once connected, you can rename your device by choosing from the presets provided or by customizing it. All you have to do is enjoy your music directly from the Triangle AIO app on your phone connected to the same home network. The app gives you access to a multitude of web radios via TuneIn or your favorite streaming platforms for high-quality wireless listening. For Spotify Premium users, take advantage of the Connect feature to send your music to the speaker from the Spotify app with a single gesture. For iPhone, iPad or Mac owners, the AIO TWIN is compatible with Apple's wireless protocol. You can stream your music by selecting the speaker connected to your Wi-Fi network. If necessary, you can find the different possibilities of the application, such as the multi-room, on our dedicated video. It is available on our Triangle Hi-Fi YouTube channel or on the support page on our website. The AIO TWIN speaker has Bluetooth technology to connect all your compatible devices. To connect them, start by pressing the BT button on your remote. A blue LED will appear and start flashing. The pairing mode is then activated. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings find and select Triangle AIO TWIN. Once your device is properly paired, the blue LED remains steady.
Connected.
The connection will be made automatically the next time you turn on your speakers, if the Bluetooth source is selected and your device's Bluetooth is turned on. The AIO TWIN has 2 possible wired inputs, allowing you to connect your devices digitally or analogly. You can connect your compatible devices with an RCA output such as a CD player, network player or FM tuner to the speaker's 3.5 jack input. To do this, you need an RCA 3.5 jack type cable. Plug the RCA plugs into the appropriate outputs on your device, then connect the other end into the aux jack on the back of the speaker. It is possible to connect a turntable directly to the AIO TWIN if it has a phono preamplifier. To do this, plug your RCA cable into your turntable and select Line Out. Then connect the other end of the jack cable to the speaker. If your turntable does not have a built-in phono preamp, connect an external phono preamplifier between the turntable and the AIO TWIN. To do this, connect the outputs of your turntable to the phono preamp using an RCA cable by connecting the ground wire if available. Then connect the line outputs of the phono preamp to the aux input of the speaker using an RCA to jack cable. Choose the source selecting the aux input using the remote control. The LED lights up green. You can use the optical input to connect your compatible devices like your TV or CD player. To do this, you need an optical cable. Plug one end into the optical output of your device, then connect the other end to the input. Optical on the back of the AIO 3. If you are connecting your TV, please go to your product settings and make sure that the audio output settings of the signal are on stereo PCM. Then select the optical source using the remote control. The LED lights up orange. To adjust the sound settings of your speakers, use the buttons on the remote control. Adjust the bass with the bass plus and bass minus buttons. For the treble, you will need to use the treble plus and treble minus buttons. If necessary, you can return to the factory settings of the equalizer by using the Reset EQ button on your remote control. These settings can also be made within the AIO app by going to the EQ settings of your speakers. You can change the source without the remote control from your AIO app in the left tab or from the button on the front of the speaker. Consider registering your speakers on trianglehifi.com to extend the warranty to 3 years. Need help? Find on our website the guides and instructions for use of AIO products within the dedicated support page. If needed, our team is available via chat or email on our site. The entire Triangle Hi-Fi team wishes you great listening.